In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the playback speed of the YouTube videos you watch. Search for the song you'd like to listen to. In this instance, we are searching for Free Falling by Tom Petty. Click on the search button. Click on the video result you would like to listen to, and listen to the song playback at its normal speed. Pause the song. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, look for the three dots. Click on the three dots, and a menu will appear. Click on Playback Speed, and another menu will appear with percentages that will either slow down or speed up the song you are listening to. We are going to click on 75%, and when we listen back to the song, it will be playing at 75% of its normal speed. And that is how you change the speed of your YouTube videos.